what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing a request by one of y'all. It's called Can I Give You More? I think it's Give You More actually, by Montell Fish. I'm not really playing it the way Montell does because the whole idea of this channel is to simplify things, right? So I'm not going to do the whole bar chords or the minors or anything. I'm just going to show you the easiest way to play this, right? And that's open chords, right? Make sure your guitar's in static tuning, and we're playing the first chord is C, right? Right, but then we're hammering onto the third fret of the first string, so we get that note that, and then we go to E minor, and we're still hammering on that third fret, and then we go to G. But instead of holding the third fret this time of the first string, we're using the second fret to get that instead of. Okay, so this is a note from D, but we're using the bass for G. Okay, so you can hold a D and just put your thumb on third fret of your sixth string. Right? Can I give you more? That's your C, and then E minor, D. But using the bass for G, or instead of holding D, you can just hold the third fret of your sixth string and then the second fret of your first string, right? To have, and you're plucking strings 6, 2, 1. Can I give you more? On C, we're plucking 5, 3, 2, 1, and we're holding third fret for strings 2 and 1. Okay. Give you, and then E minor, and we're still hammering on third fret of strings 2 and 1. Can I give you more, child? Can I? So for that, we're going 5, 3, open 3. Okay, 5, 3, open 3. While holding the bass for C. So you're using your pinky to do that. It comes off of the chord C that we hold as a bar chord, okay? That's how you get that to get. For this we go 3 on the second fret, open on the first fret, third fret, 3 on the second string, open on the first string, 3 on the first string, so that's, and then we play the D. And that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any other songs that you need me to do for y'all, let me know in the comment section below. I'm really sorry I had forgotten about this request, and for future reference, if you make a request and I don't really get it, just head over to my Instagram. Feel free to DM me. I'll probably do like a small audio to just help you get the hang of the song.